which is the right lock for you. If you're looking to secure valuables in a drawer or a cabinet, you should go for the Native Furniture lock. If you're looking to secure your bedroom door, you can check out the Native Mortise lock. You can look at the 4-way mortise, which gives you access via fingerprint, RFID, passcode and via manual key. If you're looking to have visitors go in and out of your room a lot, then you can look at the 5-way mortise, which gives you access via RFID, fingerprint, passcode, manual key and remote access via app. Both of these mortise locks offer the remarkable features which all of UC locks do, which is our very strong 2-year warranty plan, 8 months of battery life along with an emergency backup option via USB cable. So if you're looking to secure valuables inside a drawer or a cabinet, we would suggest the Native Smart Furniture lock. This lock can be configured with up to 20 fingerprints and has an unlocking speed of 0.5 seconds. It also comes with a battery life of up to 1 year. It comes with a USB key which can be used in case of emergencies. So now that you know what both locks can offer, you should judge based on your use case, on your desired level of features and on your desired level of security and make a call.